Students often want to report and register their internships for transcript notation or credit. Both options support critical thinking and reflection about the experience. Additionally, some students want to maintain full-time student status for loan deferment with the zero credit transcript notation, or their employer is requiring them to register for a course. This tutorial will show you how to report your internship for a Pomerantz Career Center course and/or for the CPT requirements for international students. First, you will log into your Handshake account. You can access this at Handshake@UI. Then you're going to want to click the Career Center tab up here. Scroll down and select Experiences. Next, you'll want to click Request an Experience up here. If you are an international student, you will want to have completed your CPT application on iHawk before requesting an experience on Handshake. On the form, you'll then want to pick the experience type suited to your situation. The most common types are this 0 credit hour internship and transcript notation, CCP 1201 academic internship 1 to 3 credit hours, and F1 and J1 more than 10 hours per week 0 credit hour internship. There are some other forms for different programs and departments as well. If you want to discuss which option is best for your situation, do not hesitate to reach out to your academic advisor or career coach, or to read about the different courses at the Registering Your Internship page on the Pomerantz Career Center website. So I've gone ahead and filled out this form just to work as an example, but you will want to go ahead and fill out the rest of your form once you have picked your experience type. Up here, you can select the term you'll be completing your internship. And then in this next box, you're going to fill out more information about your employer. After that, you will have this section where you can provide more information about your specific position. You will want to make sure to provide your supervisor's email address down here so that we can contact them for evaluations. In this final section, we're going to have some additional questions that you can fill out. This section is going to change a little bit depending on what type of experience you're registering for, so be sure to read the questions carefully. Try to fill out this form with as much detail as possible to make it easier for us to verify and approve your experience. Once you've completed the questions, you can go ahead to the next page where you will complete the internship agreement. Go ahead and click next page, and then you will fill out some emergency contact information. Then you are going to hit next page again, and then you can go ahead and request that experience. Once you submit the experience, you are going to have the option of attaching an offer letter. You can do that right over here in the attachment section. This is not mandatory, but it is an option that you have after you've submitted your experience. The Pomerantz Career Center will then review your forms, and if course registration is open for the upcoming semester, you should hear from us via email and in Handshake about whether the experience is approved. If you are approved, make sure to register for your assigned course on MyUI before the registrar's registration deadlines. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope this helped.